Hello everyone, today I want to share with you the items that are in the August Mani and Me box. First of all guys, check out this box. Look at how pretty that is. Oh, so cool. Alright, now let's check out what's inside. Okay, so of course their thank you, and this does have all of their social media links and all that good stuff. And then of course look at their pretty card. Oh, that is very, very pretty. And it looks like the theme is Escape to Shangri-La. Alright, so let's see what we have in here. This is pretty. Look at that. This is foil. That one side of it is gold and the other side is silver. That is so pretty. Ooh. Awesome. And now of course their polishes. Let's see what we have in here. Alright. Ooh, these are pretty. Look at those colors. Oh, awesome. Okay, so the first one is this really pretty kind of olivey green, and this one is called Shangri-La. Very cool. That is really pretty. I bet these are super pigmented. Okay, and the next polish here is called, where is it? Terracotta Rose. Ooh, look at that. Those are so pretty. I think both of these polishes are absolutely perfect for fall time. I would totally rock these just as regular polishes, and I'm kind of anxious to see how they are going to stand. Very pretty. Alright, so now onto the plates. Let's check these out. So the first one here is Maniology MXM014. Man, this plate is really pretty. I'm excited for this. It does have a few full fingers and then also some smaller designs. Very interesting. I'm excited for this one. Okay, and the next plate here is Maniology MXM013. Very pretty. Can you see that? Woo! This one again is another plate with those beautiful patterns and designs from that Shangri-La kind of theme. These designs I think are going to look amazing with some reverse stamping. Just absolutely gorgeous. So that is it for this video. Those are the items that were included in August Mani and Me box. You guys, these plates are gorgeous. And then these polishes, love them. So pretty. I cannot wait to get started doing some regular stamping and then some reverse stamping with these. Ugh, so pretty. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will leave Maniology's link down below so you can go on over there and see if Mani and Me boxes is something you would be interested in. Otherwise, they do have a bunch of like starter kits that are very nice, and you can get those pretty reasonably priced. But they have a lot of good stuff. You can either buy plates on their own, you can buy polishes on their own. They have their stampers on there. Very nice stuff on their site, and you're sure to find something you'll enjoy. Please leave any comments or suggestions below, and I will see you in the next one.